Hello everyone. The topic for today's lecture is bacterial cell wall projections. This is bacterial cell और हम देख सकते हैं कि there are certain outgrowths or certain structures which are projecting out of bacterial cell. We will be discussing these in detail. Now in this diagram, if we see, this is structure of bacterial cell जिसमें हम ये सारी चीजें देख रहे हैं. Now this is cell wall and then this is capsule और slime layer. अब there are certain structures protruding out of cell wall. हमें वही डिस्कस करने हैं. क्योंकि ये बाहर प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हैं इसलिए they are called as cell projections. Commonly we call them cell projections. तो प्रोजेक्ट करना मीन्स आउटर, बाहर दिखाई देना. यहां पर आप देखेंगे कि सबसे पहले तो सबसे बड़ा तो जो दिखाई दे रहा है हमें दैट इज फ्लैजिलम, देन पाइलाई एंड फिम्ब्रे. तो वी हैव टू डिस्कस दीज थ्री एक्सटर्नल स्ट्रक्चर्स या प्रोजेक्शंस, फ्लैजिला, पाइलाई एंड फिम्ब्रे. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट अस डिस्कस फ्लैजिला. Now bacterial flagella is a unistranded structure equivalent to a single microtubular fiber. We all know that function of flagella is movement. So only motile bacteria possess flagella and others do not. It is about 20 nanometer in diameter and 1 to 7 micrometers in length. स्ट्रक्चर की अगर हम बात करें तो फ्लैजिलम ऑन कैन बी डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 पार्ट्स: बेसल बॉडी, हुक एंड फिलामेंट. यहां पर हम अगर डायग्राम में देखें तो इस तरह से दिस इज बेसल बॉडी, दिस इज हुक एंड दिस इज फिलामेंट. द बेसल बॉडी और बेस ऑफ फ्लैजिला इज लाइक अ रॉड एंड इट इज इंसर्टेड इन द सेल एनवेलप. तो ये जो है यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है प्लाज्मा लेमा, आप देख सकते हैं. तो ये जो बेसल बॉडी है इट इज इंसर्टेड इन द सेल एनवेलप एंड इट बियर्स रिंग लाइक स्वेलिंग्स इन द रीजन ऑफ प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन एंड सेल वॉल. ये रिंग लाइक स्वेलिंग्स हैं और ये रीजन प्लाज्मा लेमा है और यहीं पर वी कैन सी दीज रिंग लाइक स्वेलिंग्स. वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग देम इन द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड्स, लेकिन यहाँ पर मैं आपको एक आउटलाइन के तौर पर बता रही हूं. देर आर 2 pairs ऑफ रिंग्स L and P in cell wall and S and M rings are embedded in cell membrane. यहां पर you can see these 4 rings L, P, S and M. In gram-negative bacteria and only सिंगल रिंग्स इन ग्राम पॉजिटिव. तो ग्राम नेगेटिव में तो एल, पी, एस एंड एम रिंग्स दिखती हैं और ग्राम पॉजिटिव में देर आर ओनली एस एंड एम रिंग्स एम्बेडेड इन द सेल मेम्ब्रेन. देन हुक इज अ कर्व्ड स्ट्रक्चर एज द नेम इंडिकेट्स. तो इट इज अ कर्व्ड ट्यूबुलर स्ट्रक्चर विच कनेक्ट्स filament with the basal body. This is filament, this is basal body and this portion is called as hook, which is slightly curved and tubular. It is the thickest part of the flagellum. Then comes filament. Outermost part is filament. So filament is a long tubular structure which causes turbulence in liquid medium. हमने अभी कहा कि फंक्शन ऑफ फ्लैजिला इज टू असिस्ट द सेल इन मूवमेंट. और वो मूवमेंट कैसे होता है कि ये जो फिलामेंट है इट कॉजेज टर्बुलेंस इन द लिक्विड मीडियम एंड दिस इज हाउ बैक्टीरियल सेल मूव्स अहेड और वेरेवर इट वांट्स टू. केमिकली फ्लैजिला इज मेड अप ऑफ प्रोटीन विच इज कॉल्ड एज फ्लैजिलिन एंड दोज प्रोटीन मॉलिक्यूल्स आर ग्लोबुलर and they are arranged in 3 to 8 spiral rows. You can see in this diagram, this is the arrangement of flagellin molecules and they are globular and because they are present in flagella इसलिए उनको नाम दिया गया flagellin. Then it is believed that bacterial flagella performs rotation type movement that brings about backward pushing of water and it results in the bacterium moving forward. अभी हमने कहा कि the filament is a long tubular structure and it causes turbulence in the medium and that turbulence causes rotation type movement that brings backward pushing of water या whatever the liquid medium is, and as a result of which bacterium moves forward. See here, it causes rotation like movement. So this is flagella, these are the rings, and these are flagellant molecules, and this is rotation type movement of bacterial cell. Here you can see a magnified view of structure of bacterial cell. We can clearly see three parts. हमने कहा कि basal body, which is embedded in the cytoplasmic membrane. Then hook है, which is the thickest part and curved but tubular. Then filament, which is slightly long, thin and still tubular. तो जो basal body है, we had said that in gram negative there are 4 pairs of ring and in positive there are only 2 pair. तो in gram negative S ring for starter, P for protein, L for polysaccharides and M ring for movement. So these are 4 types of rings. In rings से ही flagella is able to cause movement and bacterial cell can move. Now this is hook and this is filament. This structure is a lipopolysaccharide membrane. This is cytoplasmic membrane. तो ये इस तरह से you are able to see that a thin outgrowth or a thin projection from the cell wall जो हमने first slide में देखा है. It is so complicated in structure and वो जो structural arrangements हैं, how you can compare them with a motor, कि how motor moves. So a very complicated structure of flagella, it enables bacterial cell to move. Isn't it amazing? हमने कहा कि flagellum is embedded. तो see, flagellum, this is the outer projected part जिसको we are calling flagellum or projection. तो ये तो है which we can see from outside, but see, it is going deep inside the cell membrane. So this is cell membrane and these are various rings. Then this is peptidoglycan layer, this is lipopolysaccharide layer, this is the diagram of gram negative cell wall, and see how flagella is going inside this. Now we have discussed structure of flagella. Now another importance of flagella, that bacterial cell has been classified on the basis of presence of number of flagella. On the basis of number of flagella present, bacterial cell can be classified into 4 types. और ये difference क्यों आता है? Because हर bacterial species जो होती है, it differs in number and arrangement of flagella on their surface. Bacterial cell can have one, more than one or many flagella, and those also in different positions on the cell. तो कितने flagella हैं and where they are present or how they are arranged, उनके basis पे we can classify bacterial cell wall into 4 types. Monotrichous, mono means one and trichous means hair-like or hair we can say. So since flagella is thin and hair-like, so monotrichous, one flagella. So single flagellum is present. Then amphitrichous. Amphi means at one end, so flagellum at one end. Lophotrichous, clusters of flagella at the poles of the cell. दोनों ends पर flagella are present. Then lastly, peritrichous, periphery, that means flagella distributed over the entire surface of the cell. If we understand the meaning of these terms, तो हमें बहुत easily याद हो जाता है कि किसका क्या मतलब है. So mono one, amphi at one end, lophotrichous, at poles of the cell and peri on the periphery. ये जो भी हमने 4 types of bacterial cell on the presence of flagella, their position and number. This is monotrichous, only one flagella. This is lophotrichous. This is amphitrichous on both ends, and this is peritrichous all over the periphery or circumference. So these are 4 types of bacterial cell, or we can say 4 arrangements of flagella on bacterial cell. So this is also a basis of differentiation between bacterial cell. तो हम flagella के number और position के हिसाब से we can differentiate bacterial cell. Now second cell projection is pilus. Singular is pilus and plural is pili. It is also a bacterial appendage, लेकिन it is not involved in locomotion. The function of flagella is locomotion, whereas function of pili or pilus is not locomotion. Its function is attachment. So pili are longer than flagella. यहाँ बात हो रही है in comparison to flagella. They are longer, fewer, thicker and tubular outgrowths which develop in response to fertility factor in gram negative bacteria. तो ये लंबे होते हैं साइज में, कम होते हैं नंबर में, बहुत ही कम होते हैं, then they are thick and tubular outgrowth or projection we can say. Like flagella, they are also proteinaceous. That protein is called as flagellin. इनका protein it is called as spilin after their name. A donor bacterial cell having fertility factor can have 1 to 4 pili on its cell, being long around 18 to 20 micrometers. And their function is attachment. They are helpful in attaching to the recipient cell and forming conjugation tube. When conjugation takes place, then these pili, they help bacterial cell to attach to the recipient cell or to the substrate so that process of conjugation can take place. Specialized pili, for example sex pili, they allow transfer of genetic material from one bacterial cell to another in conjugation, जैसा भी मैंने लास्ट स्लाइड में कहा, डिस्कस किया, और इसीलिए they are named as sex pili. Then there are pili which help in colonization and pathogenicity. These are type 4 pili. Then third type of cell projections are called as fimbriae. Now fimbriae are small bristle-like fibers sprouting from cell surface in large number. They can be 300 to 400 per cell. Their diameter is around 3 to 10 nanometer while length is 0.5 to 1.5 micrometer. This is the range. Now what is the function of fimbriae? They are involved in attaching bacteria to solid surfaces, example rock in water body, or host tissues, example इसका हम कह सकते हैं in urinary tract, या Neisseria gonorrhoeae जो बैक्टीरिया है, it is a pathogenic bacteria, and with the help of fimbriae it attaches in the urinary tract of the host. And some fimbriae also cause agglutination of RBCs, and they also help in mutual clinging of bacteria to the host cell or to the substrate, but also mutual clinging, एक दूसरे से attachment में भी help करते हैं. तो फिम्ब्रे जो हैं हम कह सकते हैं कि दे हेल्प बैक्टीरिया इन पैथोजेनिसिटी, स्पेशली पैथोजेनिक बैक्टीरिया, एंड अदरवाइज दे ऑल्सो हेल्प बैक्टीरिया इन अटैचिंग टू द सबस्ट्रेट, रॉक में, वाटर बॉडी में, होस्ट टिश्यू में, एंड म्यूचुअल क्लिंगिंग में भी. थैंक यू.